Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a complete face of first impressions. Everything I try on today is going to be brand new, things I've never worn before or tried. I try on everything from drugstore to high end. I went ham at Sephora and at my local Shoppers Drug Mart and Rexall. So if you guys are interested in watching and seeing how I got this look, then stick around. It's coming up right now.
Then stick around, it's coming up right now.
It's gonna be fun. So it's gonna be a good one. All right, guys, I have got a bin full of stuff I haven't tried yet. So I'm really pumped. Some of it's high-end, some of it's drugstore. So we are just gonna play around and I'm so excited. So let's start with this. This is by Algenist. This is called the Reveal Concentrated Luminizing Drops. I thought it'd be fun to kind of put this on my face as like my primer just to see if it would make a nice sheen behind my foundation. So let's give that a try. I'm not sure if I need to put this, like mix it with something. Let's just do a quick swatch and see how blinding it is. Okay, so it's not too much. All right, well, I'm just gonna put a couple drops on my face and wherever I'd like to be highlighted and blend it out with my sponge. Okay, so it dries quickly. Looking at it on my face now, it's definitely very luminizing. I kind of like it. It's very like, it has like a golden kind of tone to it. Okay. Looks all right. Next, we are going to do our foundation. So I picked up the Covergirl TruBlend Matte Made Foundation. This is brand new from Covergirl. This says comfort matte finish, oil-free formula, and pump applicator included. Okay. Oh, I see. Oh, cool. So it does come with a pump. Wow, drugstore, you are stepping it up. So I got it in the color L20, which is light ivory. It's the only color I got, so let's hope that it's my shade. I'm just gonna put some, open it first. Put some on my beauty sponge. Now, it does say matte, and that is why I applied a luminizing base, because I don't really like matte. I've got very dry skin. Dab some. Now, I didn't even check to see if this was full coverage or not. Oh great, they're doing construction right when I film. That's just lovely. This looks so bad. First of all, it's not covering anything. Second of all, it's like clinging to dryness on my face. Oh my God, this is so bad. Okay, let's try it with a brush. I'm gonna put it on with a brush and we'll see how that goes, because this is not cute at all. In fact, it's quite gross. So, what brush do I want to use? I'm gonna use my Sigma flat angled kabuki to blend this. Hopefully this works better, because buff that in. Oh my God, this is so bad. Guys, if you could, like, actually you can see it. Do you see right here on my nose how it's separating like that? That's how my whole face looks. And I'm not gonna blame it on the base, because I barely put any of that base on my face. Oh yeah, this is what nightmares are made of. That's about as good as we're gonna get. Haven't been this disappointed in a foundation in a long time. We're gonna move on. Not a fan of this foundation whatsoever. It took me a long time to blend this out, and it's still not up to my standards. This ain't cute. All right, so Comfort Matte Transfer Resistant. It looks a little better now, like now that I've really worked it in. So anyways, let's just move on. We've got a lot more stuff to cover. So let's go and do concealer. I unfortunately did not have a new concealer to try for you guys, so I'm just going to use my tried and true All Nighter by Urban Decay. However, I do have a new brush set that I can try, so I'm gonna try that. I got these new concealer brushes from Real Techniques. I'm gonna use these today to blend out my concealer. I always use a beauty blender or a beauty sponge to blend out my concealer, so this is new territory for me. And these brushes came in a set of 4, and the 4 brushes, they all have different colors, so it's like a color correcting package, so each brush represents whatever color tone you're using to correct soft. You know what I mean? So it's kind of a strange brush. It's angled and it's got this like, the very tips of the hairs look almost like, you know when you burn hair, it singes at the ends? That's kind of what it looks like. I don't know if it's supposed to look like that, but it does. Well, we're not off to a very good start. Hopefully my blender will make all the difference because I know this concealer well and should not look like this, that's for sure. All right, well, I look 100 years old. And I think another thing about brushes that why I don't like to use them is because I don't like the thought of the bristles like brushing my skin around my eyes because it's so delicate and it just like bothers me. When you use a blender, it's so gentle, so soft, and it just like presses into your skin. It doesn't smooth it around. Whew, I don't like this face, but we're gonna move on. Another thing I picked up was the Marc Jacobs Invisible Finish Line Setting Powder. I'm so pumped to try this. I haven't read any reviews. I haven't looked at anybody's opinion, so this is gonna be my opinion and not persuaded by anybody else. So let's give it a go. I really like the packaging. So when you open it, it's got this little cover on it, and it's basically like a sticker like any other powder you get. So inside is like a cushion. So kind of like if you guys have tried the Becca Hydra Set and Refresh powder, the like 50% water powder, that has the same type of applicator. This looks very yellow, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look on my skin, but we can give it a go for sure. I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Oh, why do I always call it that? My beauty sponge. Tap it in. Ooh, that's cool. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like coconuts. Someone in Sephora told me that this was a limited edition, which kind of sounded weird to me. It sounds kind of off. Okay, so it's definitely not as dark as I thought it was gonna be, which is good. Just dust that away. I don't like to bake for too long because I have very dry under eyes. I'm about to snap. Okay, and now I'm just gonna go in with my big fluffy brush and set the rest of the face. So I like this powder. It's no, please finish. I insist. Okay. So the powder looks good. I like the color. Powder looks really good. I like the tone. It's kind of like a yellowy, but it's not, I wouldn't say it's invisible. Like, it's definitely not invisible. I can see it, but it didn't make anything look worse, which is good because like I don't think I could look any worse than I did. So that's good. We'll see. I'm gonna continue playing with it and then I'll let you guys know. All right, let's move on. Now, what do I want to do? Let's do contour now. So next I'm going to go into the Makeup Forever. I went ahead and I got my own little like personalized contour powder. I don't remember what color this is. If I remember, I'll let you guys know in the description box. So I'm going to use that today. I've used it once before. I did really like it. So this will be the second time using it. And that's what I'm going to use today to contour my face. And with my brush, this is a Morphe M177. I just think it's like the perfect color for me. It's nice and light and it's definitely buildable. It's really nice. I really like it. When I did use this, it was nighttime, so I couldn't really tell how good of a powder it was for my skin tone, but this color is like really nice. Okay, I really do love this. Yeah, that's a win for sure. Let's move on to bronzer. I'm gonna go into the Becca Sunlit bronzer in the color Capri Coast. Never tried this one before, so let's see how she goes. Well, that's nice. It does have a little bit of a sheen to it, but it doesn't really transfer onto the face. Not that I can see. Okay, so far so good. Everything's looking really good, minus the foundation. Everything else is really like making me a little bit more satisfied than I was feeling before, that's for sure. So today for blush, I'm gonna go into the L'Oreal Infallible Paint Blush Wad. There's actually 4 here. I've had this for a little bit. I just haven't used it yet. It's literally hasn't even been popped open. The seal is still closed. So let's do this one today. There's so many fun colors for summer, and I thought it would be cool to try this today. So this is what it looks like. It goes all the way from like orangey coral to like a full pink. It comes with this like little brush. Oh, that was close. It comes with this little brush, which, nah, I'm just gonna use my Real Techniques dual fiber brush to apply it. Let's try to start with this like bright orange. I'm gonna add a little bit of both these pinks on top. Okay. Oh, what next? For eyebrows, today I thought I would try something fun and a little different. I got the Kat Von D 24-Hour Super Brow Pomade in the color Aubergine, which is like this deep purple color. I've never ever used color in my eyebrows before, but we're gonna try it today because why the hell not? So this is what the packaging looks like. I've tried her blonde and her taupe before. Currently sticking to the blonde. I like it a lot. But yeah, this is Aubergine and it's like a deep purple. I'm so nervous right now. Like I've never done anything like this in my eyebrows before. I've also been using her 7-0 brush. It's a little angled eyebrow brush. It's so cute. I love it. I forgot to clean it, so give me a second. I'm gonna zoom you guys in a little bit so you can see what I'm doing. All right, let's get to it. Ooh, she's purple. Cool, but at the same time it almost kind of looks like I put marker in my eyebrow. Okay, that's fun. All right, that's it for the eyebrows. They look so cool. I'm really liking them. Like who needs to get their hair dyed when they just have this? Like that's awesome. Well, that was fun. So yeah, definitely keeping this. And it's more purple than I thought. For some reason, I pictured it to be a little bit more like, what's the word? Wine colored, like red, but it's definitely very, very purple. And I am digging it. Now that the eyebrows are done, let's move on to eyes. For eyes today, I went ahead and I got the Too Faced Natural Eyes palette. It's actually really cute. I did open it a little bit earlier just to check it out. This is what it looks like. As if you guys haven't already seen it. If you haven't, very neutral, very pretty. There's some bronze colors, some more goldy, pinky, like just very natural. Probably for the best because let's be honest, my eyebrows are purple. So what we're gonna do, I guess first is we are gonna go into the color Day. We're gonna use that to apply all over my lid to create that base. Fallout City. Next, I'm gonna go into the color. Okay, first of all, this is not called Day, it's called Heaven, okay? Next color I'm gonna go into is the color Nudie, which is this kind of cool toned brown, and I'm gonna put that all in my crease. And I'm gonna go back into Heaven and just buff that out a little bit. In the color Cashmere Bunny, pop that into my lower crease. Then I'm just gonna take a blending brush and I'm gonna mix Sexpresso with Cashmere Bunny and pop that into my outer corners. Then I'm gonna run that along the bottom lash line, whatever's left over. I'm gonna go in with my finger and go into Chocolate Martini, which is this beautiful like bronzy color. Ooh, that's pretty. It's got like gold flecks in it. Pop that on the outer corner. Wow, that's a lot deeper than I thought. Okay, I'm gonna blend it out. Wow, as soon as you go to blend it, it disappears. Did you see that? Just dusted away. Like it looks like that on my finger. Try that with a little setting spray this time. Oh my God, what a disaster. Can you guys see how patchy that is? Okay, well, I don't really know what happened there, so now I'm gonna go into the color Honey Pop, and I'm gonna use my finger for that one. Just gonna press that on majority of my lid space, and I'm just gonna blend those out. it did it again. It just disappeared. Note to self, don't blend these eyeshadows because they'll disappear. That's all I'm gonna do today for this. It's a weird eyeshadow palette. I was really feeling it at first, but now I'm kind of just annoyed with it. Moving on. Now let's move on to highlighter. Today I'm going to use the new Covergirl TruBlend Super Stunner palette. It looks really, really pretty. This is what it looks like. This one is like calling my name. Let's just do a quick little couple of finger swatches, shall we? Very chalky. Those are the three colors. Not sure how I feel about it, but let's put it on the face and then we'll really be able to see. First, we're gonna set the face. I'm gonna use my Algenist. This is the Hydrate and Refresh and Set setting spray. I really love this stuff. I've been using it nonstop. It's almost empty. I'm gonna have to get a new one. It's a beautiful setting spray. Spray it on your beauty blender, blend out your foundation or your concealer. It's a really nice setting spray. I like to spray my face before I apply highlighter, so that's what we're doing. I'm gonna press everything in. Let's highlight. So I'm gonna start with this middle color here. There's a lot of fallout on this palette. Oh wow. That is not what I expected. Wow, that is beautiful. I'm shocked. Like, my face looks wet. Okay. Was not expecting that. Let's highlight the brow bone in the inner corner with this as well. I'm gonna take a little brush. Where are you? All my brushes are dirty, so I'm just kind of grabbing whatever's available right now. This guy, should I use the yellow? Let's use the yellow. Do my inner corner. Okay, the yellow one isn't as crazy. Let's try that other one. These highlighters are extremely soft. Oh, looking snatched. Let's do the lips now. So this Buxom Sexy 6. I've never used a Buxom product before and I've been dying to try them, so I picked up this little package. It comes with 6 different glosses. It comes with the mini plump line lip liner crayon in stealth, a mini full-on plumping lip polish. Ooh, it comes with a lip polish in sugar, mini full-on lip plumping cream in rose julep, and mini Va Va Plump shiny liquid lipstick in honey. I'm so excited right now. So it comes with a lip pencil and, which I'm assuming is this guy. So let's start with that. Let's use the lip pencil to start. Holy, she's chunky. Ooh, that was so easy. That's creamy. I like that a lot. So then we've got some lip creams as well. Maybe I should, I don't know what to do. Let's do a Va Va Plump Honeydew. Okay, let's do this. Oh, wow. Ooh, it's minty. So this is the Va Va Plump, and it is shiny liquid lipstick. So, and it's supposed to be plumping. I love it. I don't have any mascara to try, so I'm gonna do my mascara off camera. I'm going to zoom you out and give you my final thoughts. So I did switch up my lip a little bit. Decided to go with Rose Julep. It's a gloss and it feels so, so good. I'm loving this little package I got from Buxom. It's so nice. I'm so excited to try the rest. OMG. To sum it all up, there was some things that I really didn't like, some things I loved. Some of the things that I didn't like were the foundation. I will give it another chance, but as of right now, not the biggest fan of it. This worked well. The Algenist drops, they worked well. They did everything that they said they were gonna do, so those were cool. The eyeshadow palette was great until I started blending, and I was really disappointed. The shadows literally just disappeared off of my eyes, so that was really weird. As far as all the powders go, so the Marc Jacobs, the Makeup Forever, and the Becca, all those products were really, really nice. I definitely am gonna stick with those. They're really beautiful. The eyebrow product was fun. I don't know if I love it. Now that I look at it, it's kind of like, looks like paint. Like it looks like I painted on my eyebrows. Maybe that's my fault. Maybe I didn't apply it well enough. I don't know. I'm just not loving it. Oh, and the highlighter palette. I really love the middle color, but the other two just didn't really do it for me. But this middle color here is absolutely beautiful. I think it looks stunning, like a high-end highlighter should look. And it's a CoverGirl highlighter, so that's pretty cool. I think it would be worth it to get the palette just for the center shade here. And yeah, yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. And when the notification bell is pressed, there's going to be a little icon that pops up and you have to choose to get all notifications. YouTube is playing us for fools and they're not making it easy for us creators to have you guys stick with us. So thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next one. Bye!